So are we gonna start? You gonna get inside the thing?
Yeah. Just bring it on you.
You can go in yourself. Oh man, we really do need a shield.
Oh wow.
But oh well, we'll get the money for it eventually.
So what happened to 1
It's
and 3?
a beautiful spring day on
1 through 3.
Catacrom 4, Juanita, as we
no,
kick
not
off a brand
co-op.
new season of Dread Zone.
That's right, Dallas. And we're lucky enough to have a bird's eye view of the action.
Even from up here, this season's Dread Zone battle courses look bigger and deadlier than ever.
It's a wonder contestants keep volunteering, isn't it?
That's a good one. Oh, yeah. The Fox construction team really outdid themselves in turning this once sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Dread Zone battle course.
And look, here comes today's first contestant. Oh my, they're really scraping the bottom of the barrel to find these guys, aren't
We're not gonna have a creepy close-up of the face again, are we?
Squeamish, because the next one looks like a bleeder.
Okay, good. It's not broken.
Ratchet's first objective is a gimme, Juanita. All he has to do is make his way to the other side of
Excuse
this
me,
mountain pass.
you're already running ahead while I'm trying to do skill point
The shields
stuff?
on that turret are impenetrable. You will have to use an EMP to take them down. Defeating enemies
Ah, the
upgrades
screen
your
kind
Dread
of...
Zone weaponry and improves your maximum nanotech level.
Just like that.
Oh, this is more fun than a busload of cheerleaders.
I'm pretty sure nothing's more fun than a busload of cheerleaders. What do you think?
Barrel full of monkeys.
Holy shit. Fuck yeah! Dude, you can actually change your costume so that it can be Jack.
Oh, that's cool.
That's gonna... And it's only... And Jack can only be used for player
As
2.
Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacrom Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the
Leonard,
chasm of endless
you
falling
just
and eventual
opened the
dying.
beast.
In the unlikely
What?
event that they survive, they'll
But
take
the
control
best way
of a
we
big,
could have unlocked
bad, and
Jack's
burly
costume by
walking
playing on the
armor
hardest
tank
difficulty.
called the Landstalker.
Shit
Good luck,
nuggets.
kids.
Ratchet, you will have to capture all 3 nodes to extend the bridge.
Nodes!
Zombies! Robots! Robot zombies! Ow, they deal kind of a good chunk of damage too.
Be careful not to
Ah!
stay too far from your partner, Ratchet. If you get
Babe!
too far apart, both of your collars will explode.
Offering grenade support. Don't run off ahead of me. Ahead of me. If we get too far apart, we're both gonna die at once.
You know, sometimes I think I should have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
Ah shit. I guess you need the health pack more than you need the help more than I do. Over here. Cover me.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the area.
Well, looky here.
Awesome. I wouldn't recommend using the wrench against the zombies.
Mainly because it's very weak.
Not only that, not just that, it's the fact that they can just overpower. It's the fact that they attack you in close range.
Am I even going the right way?
Yeah, we're going the right way.
Well, I'm mainly the one going ahead, and I don't even know where the fuck I'm going.
We have a radar.
Oh my god, we do! I never noticed it! making you laugh. I don't even need to.
Oh! This is gonna be a playthrough than an adult playthrough. You can't attack it. I need to stay with me. Man, he sure can't eat a lot of bullets. Oh shit! You activate the crank this time. We have shared ammo also, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. You use the shotgun a lot. We need more weapons. Level up.
So are we getting bolts out of this?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
We get bolts out of just killing random enemies. That's the thing.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the area.
The only enemy that the only thing that's not made of money is us.
Because we're expendable.
That and apparently we don't drop money when we die. Except in full frontal assault. We start dropping.
Get the health.
Oh shit, you're using the nade launcher now.
You know,
I
sometimes
wanna use the
I
shotgun.
should have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
Oh, if we can get our weapons up to level 99, they turn rainbow.
Rainbow, unicorn rainbow. Rainbow, yeah. Yes. Oh,
Ow.
baffle.
Ah, you're too far away from me.
I'm sorry, there were these ball things of death coming after me. Oh, speaking of ball things of death, there they are.
Wow. I kind of did hate those enemies in the second game. Frag out! Or not.
Ratchet, I am detecting a swing shot orb ahead. Jump towards it and hold down the fire button. Your swing shot will deploy automatically and carry you across the gap.
You know these things are weak against the wrench, it just takes one hit from them?
Yeah, but I want to earn experience for my gun, for my weapons.
Well, I like saving ammo.
What do you know, folks? Ratchet has found the Landstalker!
Yeah, in this game, it's worth actually killing an enemy using a gun instead of saving ammo.
This all-terrain mech of destruction comes fully loaded with power steering, AC, jumbo-sized drink holders, and enough plasma mortars to take out a small star system.
Oh, shit.
Team
Are you doing
Darkstar's
this?
not out for a Sunday drive today, folks. They'll be blazing a trail right into the center of the Catacomb Burial Dome.
Oh, you're manning the turret. Okay,
Ratchet,
you're manning the
you
main
have to
gun.
use the Landstalker's
So
motors
destroy
to
them.
those
Destroy the
quasar
mortars.
orbs.
I'll destroy
That should clear the
cameras
way.
because I don't like being watched. Raise hell! God, this is the coolest tank ever. I could blow up the whole goddamn world with this. You can actually charge it down to unleash more of them at a time.
You know, sometimes I think I could have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've
Turret,
got a great
turret,
dental
turret,
plan.
turret. Fire.
Team Darkstar is breaking this place apart. Ratchet is on a rampage with the Landstalker. Oh, I can't imagine the damage Bill Dread Zone is going to get for this.
Well, This was a very commentary-worthy part of the game, wasn't it?
Yes, it was, but I don't know what the fuck to do!
Just shoot your gun!
Which is the L1 button.
Alright guys, I guess that's gonna be it for this part also.
Yeah.
Still another challenge on this planet, but we can't handle that until we've actually stopped the video. Stop the video.